So today I'm going to make my ultimate chocolate cake. This is by far my favorite recipe. I've used it many years and everybody loved it. So I'm giving you my secret. So this recipe is super simple and the ingredients is not that many. All-purpose flour that we have and cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, you always want to buy the cocoa powder that is does not have sugar in it. Okay, so try to find really nice cocoa powder. And then we have sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Now you sift this. So I'm making this cake because it's my friend's birthday. There's a lot of birthday this week, and this friend is the one who motivates me to bake again. This chocolate cake has a lot of application. Obviously, you can make sheet cake, layer cake, cupcakes, but you can also put a lot of variety into this chocolate cake. You can add coffee into it. You can add bananas. Chocolate strawberries, and black forest. That's another super yummy one. See, now the ingredients all mixed up. Now we're going to add the wet ingredient. So this recipe is even like more simple. It just requires to have oil, egg, and some hot water to go with it, and some milk. So here you go. So you just add all the ingredients into it, and then we have the egg. Let's whisk it together. Okay, it's really thick now, so I'm gonna add my milk. See, now it's incorporated. I'm going to add the water again. This is the hot water and vanilla. As you can see, it's super runny, but it's super chocolatey, and I'm just going to put it in the 6-inch pan. I have already sprayed it already, but if you don't have a baking spray, you can use butter. You just rub it all over the pan, and then dust a little bit of flour on top of it, and then you tip it out, and then dust away all the excess flour. This will help you lift the cake super easy. I also like to use this kind of pan with the bottom that comes out. It just makes your life so much easier to remove the cake, and it's just the best investment ever. So I just pour it in there. I was once taught by my aunt, never waste anything. So you always scrape nice and clean your bowl. It's all cost, and why not? You should always keep it clean. Now we're going to put it in a really hot oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius. Bake until it rises up and also the toothpick comes up clean. So this is a super simple recipe, and I hope you can give it a try. If you want to find the recipe, come to my website at Ylo.lo.com and make sure you do subscribe. See you soon.